All right, guys, so I'm going to be showing you how you can use the SH Watch, or like how you can automatically upload your files and update your files from your local computer to your HubSpot designer tools. So the source file will be the local computer, and then it will be uploaded to your HubSpot designer tools. Now I've already downloaded the themes in here. You can use HS Fetch if you want to download the themes from HubSpot designer tools to your local computer. And once you make some update, let's say before you make an update, you need to run the HS Watch first. So HS Watch, and then it will ask you a question in which destination or source path you want this to be updated. If you put in the wrong, name, it will end up creating a new folder to your designer tools, which we don't want to happen. So just want to explain with you, which this means HS list source file is basically pointing, if you go into the HubSpot documentation, it's saying it is a path from your local computer. So obviously what I want to happen is I want to just, keep updating the source file, like all of this one. Every time I want to make changes, I also want to update the HubSpot. So I'm going to type in HS, that one actually. This is the folder. So I'm going to type in HB, let's see, show, which is I'm trying to get this file. And then what is the destination path? The dest is basically pointing to the HubSpot designer tools. Now, if you go into the designer tools, there's a lot of folder in here. Actually, we're going to delete some of those, but like you need to point out what folder you want to overwrite or update, that files. And let's say you want to create a new folder instead of like updating an existing folder. That's also fine. You just need to type in, you just need to write what folder you want to create, and it will create a new folder for you with all of these files. But like what I want is to just basically overwrite all the changes like this and this one. So there's this HB, this official thing, is just similar to the files in my local computer because I just fetched that. So I'm going to type in HB official, and then you can see here watcher is ready for watching. So if I'm going to make changes, let's say I'm going to go into the landing page and then type this one as testing and make changes, it will automatically like watch for you. When it said uploaded, it is updating the cloud version. So if you go into the cloud, I'm going to refresh that and go into the HB folder, go to the landing page, see it's refreshed, it will set a HB testing. You can see it's already uploaded. Now I'm going to make another changes now to update and then refreshed. It will automatically update for you. It's ready testing too. Now, let's say you make a mistake. I'm going to show you why you should be typing the right, folder. So I'm going to remove that. And let's say I will run another watch. So let's say I want to create a different folder, or different folder. I don't want to overwrite the folder to the existing folder in the designer tools. You can just type in HS watch and then what you want, let's say, what do you want to do? So do you want to watch the entire folder, or do you want to watch a specific, modules? So let's say I want to run I just want to watch let's say this module. So as an example, let's say I'm going to type in HB official, and then we'll type in modules, which is this one. Let's just pretend I want this to be uploaded into my designer tools in a separate folder. So you can do that. So basically this one is grabbing these folders, all the files inside the modules. And let's say I want to create a different folder in here called maybe Angie testing, blah, blah, blah. But if you want to overwrite it, that's fine as well. So let's say I want to create a folder called Angie test watch. So it's ready watching. Now let's go into the module and let me type in a sample here. Say padding to rim update. Now it's already updated. If I refresh the designer tools in here and go in, you should be able to see an Angie testing word, this one, Angie test folder. So it's, you can see there's an updated file, and I updated with the padding to rem. So yeah, that's how the padding and the HS watch works in HubSpot.